Hello there. In this lesson, I'll explain Payoneer usage in more details. So with that said, stick around till the end. Inside of Payoneer, I'll show you how to connect either Payoneer to eBay or Payoneer to PayPal. So in the first case, we have Payoneer right here. We'll go ahead and click on Get Paid. Once you are in the Get Paid section, click on the Receiving Accounts. Now you can see right here that this is US, based in US. Click on it. You will see all of your account information right here. Mine will be blurred, obviously, but the important metric is the Citibank. As you can see, if you can see that your bank name is Citibank, it would be very, very difficult for you to basically connect payments with PayPal. What you can do in the meantime is go ahead, close this, enter into Payoneer customer support by clicking on this corner right here, and basically you will create a ticket. To create a ticket, go all the way down, click on Contact Us, and right here you can send a message. Enter all of your information right here, and inside of the message, answer the following. Hello there. To request a bank account that is being able to connect with PayPal. Right here, Payoneer support will understand what you're looking for. Because the Citibank, as I told you before, this bank is probably dissected by PayPal, and since they are competitors, it will not allow it. And at the meantime, you can try connecting it. If you don't have Citibank, go ahead to PayPal, click on Wallet in the top corner, click on Send Payments, transfer to your bank, and then right here, choose the currency, and then link an eligible debit card or a bank right here. And once you are on this page, you will be filling the information for it. You can also have another thing set up. For eBay, you can click Request Accounts, and inside of this page, you will have the option of either having a local bank account or a SWIFT. Click on the SWIFT option and click on Continue. Once you are in the SWIFT option, you will see it right here in the pending accounts. Click on it, and you will be able to provide some information to be able to verify your details. As you can see right here, company ownership structure and so on. It will be different for you. In the case if you have personal accounts, make sure that your eBay also is set up in personal accounts. If you have a business account, otherwise, make sure that your eBay is also set to a business account. And that's about it. You would go ahead to eBay, and then you would go to the settings by going to the top left corner, account setting, and then you would be going to payments. And inside of payments, you will be able to see this page. You'll click on add cards or bank. You would click on auctions or either checkout. In your case, if the account is active and you're selling already on eBay, you'll have also the payout method. You'll click just on continue, and inside of this page, you'll be able to choose either credit card, PayPal, and so on. And the option of bank will also be provided right there. And that's about it. Now, you might ask, why is this important? Well, Payoneer, as we've talked previously, helps you really manage the payout fees. It makes the payout fees much, much less, and it's very, very friendly when it comes to the fees. So if we head to Payoneer, you can see right here that the exchange rate is the following. But in PayPal, you can see that if we go ahead to the wallet, we can go to the currency calculator. And inside of the currency calculator, let's put the same price of USD right here. And you'll see that it will not provide us with €1. €1. Okay. So if we click on this, you can see that it will give us 97. So it's really not the same. And it's that PayPal really takes just more than, as you can see, if we do this again, it will take much more than Payoneer. So that's 3 more cents. So Payoneer would be better for exchange rates, for payouts, and as we see in PayPal again, if, for example, I try to do a payout, let me do, for example, send payment. I'll click on send payment. I'll click on transfer to your bank. And for example, I'll choose the USD balance. You can see right here that to do that, it will take $5. And to do it with the other card, it will take also about $5, which is very, very bad if I'm trying to pay out a lot of times. But in the other hand, in Payoneer, it's much less. And that's about it in today's lesson. I've explained to you Payoneer usage. I will see you in the next one.